Hello, my dear friends, and also my dear aspirants. Welcome to QP Study. Today, 2nd April 2023, as we all know, the current TCS and TPS exam of 2022 has been conducted. So, keeping this in mind of today's exam, we have come up with a tentative answer key, which we will be providing on the description link below. And you can check it out your answers. Once you finish checking out your answers, please don't forget to share your score so that we can also predict the future cutoff of today's exam. And the second thing, most importantly, that I would like to tell you is that there are various upcoming exams, such as the Sub Inspector of Excise. So, for this exam, we have come up with a test series, on which you can get it in QP Study app. So, the benefit of getting this test series is under this test series we will be providing you a total number of 48 plus tests, which we will be covering 40 sectional tests as well as 8 full length tests, and we will also be giving you with a detailed explanation of each MCQ. So thank you.